Sethosa, the founder of Last Number Mageu. We produce 100% sorghum, we fermented and Mageu, basically Mageu, yeah. The reason I started the business, I won't lie and say, hey, I wanted to change employment and this. It was hard. It was during the lockdown. I'm an entertainer. That time there was no way that we could do entertainment in any way. So I started selling soft porridge for commuters in the morning, for Joburg. And then an idea came, or what if I could package this thing? I packaged it and it flew off the shelves, and yeah, here we are. I provide this. This is the product that I provide. We also have marshmallows, because now I distribute at tuck shops. I saw a gap there. There's no marshmallows being provided, and then I started producing marshmallows as well, and then also providing Last Number. Your question is, what am I providing? I'm providing energy. I'm giving you guys energy. It's a meal on the go. It's what you consume when you're in a hurry in the morning, or when you want to have lunch. You just consume this and it's good. Mageu is for everyone. You can get hold of me on my socials. It's Tshepo Sethosa on all, from Twitter to Facebook. Tshepo Sethosa, Sethosa, Tshepo Sethosa, Sethosa. For the company, we have an Instagram page, is Last Number _24. Last Number _24. Twitter is Last Number, @Last Number, and then on Facebook it's @Last Number Mabele. So yeah, you can get us there. Or alternatively, if you have a shop and you want to distribute, you can call this number 081-370-6332, 081-370-6332. My name is Tshepo Sethosa, and I'm a township entrepreneur.